nail divas, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be doing this video. I am going to be fixing the mani on my right hand because I kind of messed it up. I'm going to be using this color Work in Silence by Hot Tips Beauty. This is what it looks like. I have it all over my left hand, complete mani, and on my right hand I attempted to do a ombre and I kind of messed up, especially here on this nail. It was a little harsh, and what I forgot to do was put a clear layer on top, and when I went to file, I filed most of my ombre away. So I am going to file this down and repair it, and I'm going to let you guys watch me do this process. I didn't initially film it because this is my very first acrylic application video that I'm filming. And prior to me going to the Hot Tips Beauty class, I was just really insecure because I had only taught myself how to do acrylic via YouTube University. So I went in and I wanted to learn the way to properly apply acrylic, and I learned so much, and you guys will be seeing everything I've learned from this class. Also, I picked up a lot of things when I was there, and I'm going to have a haul video coming up next so you can see everything that I picked up from there. Okay, so you saw me file down the nails. I just filed them down pretty thin so that I can go over them. I'm going to do this just kind of like a fill-in. And I'm going in here with my primer. They did teach us that you need to do primer in between your layers of acrylic, and that will help to keep your nails lasting a lot longer. So I'm going in here with a pretty small bead. I'm using my Noonies Nails size 12 brush, and even though they recommend using a larger brush, I'm trying to repair a mistake. So I'm going to use this small brush here so that I can go in and with these around, I'm going around the cuticle only just so that I can bring this ombre back down. So as you can see, I'm going in with my monomer, and I'm going to pat this color around and drag it down to blend into the white. Now this thumbnail was probably the only one I wasn't satisfied with my repair, and only because when I was applying the white, I just had a difficult time with this nail all the way around, but that's okay. I'm not upset with it. I repaired it as best as I could, and I was pretty pleased with the way it all came out in the end. I'm going to stop talking here and just let you watch me repair these nails. Now that I have all my nails looking the way I want them to look, I'm going in here. I'm using the Young Nails Clear, and it's their Speed Clear. I'm going to go in and just put this clear layer over all the nails. This is the step that I forgot to do the first time around, and I ended up filing off all of my gorgeous ombre work. So now I'm going to protect it. I'm going in with a layer of clear. I'm going to clear cap all of these nails, and I will be right back to file them and get them all shaped up. Starting off here with my hand file, I am using the 8080 grit hand file. I got these files from Hot Tips when I went to the nail class, and I keep mentioning the nail class, but I realized that as I'm doing my voiceover that I didn't talk much about going to the class. So let me do that now. So I took a Hot Tips Beauty nail class. It was a 2-day class on this past Sunday and Monday, August 1st and 2nd, and it was the best time. I had the absolute best time. First of all, I met some new nail friends, and that was probably one of the most exciting things. But also, I got to learn the proper way to apply acrylic, and I got to learn so many new things, nail art things, and all of those things I am going to do on my channel. I'm going to recreate every look that we did in class, and I may change it up a little bit, but every look that we did in the class, I'm going to recreate them on my channel. So I've got lots of videos coming up, guys. I hope you guys are going to buckle in and join me for the ride. I plan to show you the things that I learned, and you know, this class was worth it. I highly recommend it. I will link their information below. Hot Tips Beauty, they are good, and their products are just amazing. I did pick up a lot of things while I was there, and I'm going to do a complete haul video on everything, so stay tuned for that. It's actually going to be my next video coming up, so don't forget to come back and watch that, and I hope you guys give them a try. I really, really enjoyed their products. I enjoyed the class, and I learned so much. Going in now with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol just to wipe my nails clean from all the filing prior to doing any polishing. I decided to go back in on my ring finger and I'm going to do an accent nail. I'm using my Poochie's Nails Bling Gel. I'm going to go in with the Bling Gel. Per usual, I'm going to place it on the nail first. I'm not going to cure it, and then I'm going to use my Poochie's Nails Ultra Shine Super Shine top coat and put that right over top of the bling gel, and then I'm going to add my bling. After I add my bling, then I will give that a cure for a full 2 minutes in my nail lamp. Now that all my bling is on, I am going in to top coat the rest of the nails with my Poochie's Nails Super Shine top coat. And I'm going to give that a cure for 2 minutes in my lamp. Okay, now divas, this is the final look. I'm going to top it off with my Candy Skincare Hot Mess Marla Cuticle Oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys back for the next one. Bye!